Hello traders, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll break down the trade that I took in SIS Limited. This is also another pure technical trade, but it happened to be a loss. So let me quickly explain the reason for my entry, stop loss and target. So when I came across this stock in the monthly time frame, what I saw was this stock has been sideways, right? From the time it was listed on the market. Before that, as we all know, there are three trends in the market. Let me just quickly break that down for you guys. So this is the uptrend, and then we have the sideways trend, right? And then we have the downtrend. So basically the uptrend creates higher highs and higher lows, the sideways trend creates equal highs and equal lows, and the downways trend creates lower highs and lower lows. So this is basically how we identify trend, right? Now if you check the SIS chart, you can understand that this is in a sideways trend. The major support and resistance levels were in the monthly time frame. So this is the resistance and this is the support. With this being the resistance and this as the support, when I move down to the weekly time frame, I saw that this stock had broken out of this resistance in the weekly time frame and closed above it strongly as well, right? And I could also see that the stock was trending upwards after the monthly breakout with heavy bullish momentum. Next, what I did was I went down to the daily time frame and I noticed this chart pattern and a breakout from it. So which was this. Right, this was the chart pattern and this was the breakout. So since there was high volume at the area of resistance, I decided to go long with 518.10 as my entry. Just a minute, which is 518 and 446 with a 1:2 minimum risk to reward, right? So this was my entry, stop loss and the target. But if you can see, unfortunately from the time of my entry, I think only for the first 2 days I was in profit, but after that the stock started falling drastically and liquidated my position at a loss. This was basically the trade of SIS, and unfortunately my stop loss was taken. The reason why I didn't cut losses in the middle was previously, if you can see, that there was a high demand at the area of 440 to 460 levels, and then only you could see this push in price, right? So I was waiting, even if price would correct, it would probably take action at the demand zone and then again collect, accumulate more and move upwards. So that was the reason I stuck to my stop loss. But right now the price has hit my stop loss and I've taken a L on this trade. Yeah, so next, if SIS has another good monthly rejection to the upside, I will probably look for longs again, right? So on the monthly time frame, I just need a strong green candle, or even if this red candle is going to get rejected by the end of February month, then we can probably look for longs by breaking down to the lower time frame. Until then, things to learn from this losing trade is that I could have waited for a pullback. From here and then look for some kind of minor time frame breakout and then look for entries, right? So that's one thing that I've learned from this trade. I could have waited for a discounted price by waiting for a pullback and then go for an entry. So this is my trade in SIS, guys. Hope you guys have learned something out of this video technically. Don't forget to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts or concerns, and I'll be happy to help you guys with it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.